being made by private corporations in league with the government for surveillance, frankly, is a huge growth industry. And you have not just corporations selling data, monetizing data for a profit. They get to do the same thing by selling the subscriber information to the government, and they're not doing so gratis, believe me. War on democracy is extraordinarily critical and insightful way of saying it. That's ultimately what's at stake here, are the very foundations of democracy. Something has to give. And when you have secret laws and secret evidence and secret courts and secret opinions, then democracy itself is imperiled. And history is not kind. The problem is we have extraordinary technology, and I would certainly urge, in the strongest possible language, that this body seriously consider what is absolutely necessary to protect the sovereignty and integrity of your member nations, but most importantly, the sovereignty of your individual citizens. What you're seeing is the replacement of the rule of law. That is the great equalizer by a pernicious form of authoritarianism. And there is history in this continent alone, having lived here myself for over 6 years, there is history that I think should speak extraordinarily powerfully in terms of what happens when you live inside authoritarian and even fascist states.
Thank you. Ms. Machon.
I shall try and keep these as brief as possible, and perhaps there seem to be a number of similar themes coming out from the questions, so if I can conflate them. First of all, how can we protect whistleblowers or beef up the oversight or draw up laws? What's necessary to protect future whistleblowers, if possible?